Okay, nak survive dalam art tu susah. And then kena supporter, kena tolong.
Mungkin bagi orang yang tak ada education of art, dia boleh katalah yang macam kita main campak-campak colour dia macam.
Did you know that many people find it difficult to connect with art? Worry less, because today we are delighted to introduce you to our innovative mobile application named Naluri. But before that, let's meet the talented team that consists of 4 members: Mikael bin Abdul Hadi, Afifah Sofia binti Razwan, Nuri Azmatun binti Muhammad Roslan, Nur Natasha binti Zul Akmar, and our supervisor, technologist Mudiana binti Mohsin alias Miss Ron. This presentation is structured as follows. Now, let's take a deep dive into our innovation. Naluri aims to address the gap in local engagement with Malaysian art influenced by its rich multicultural heritage from Malay, Chinese, Indian and indigenous cultures. Despite that, many Malaysians struggle to understand and access the art spaces themselves. This application is designed to bridge that gap, making Malaysian art more accessible, relatable and engaging for everyone.
Program statement. Limited accessibility. The issue arises from the rural residents need to travel over 100 km to visit nearby galleries and limit their opportunities to experience art. The second one is a social barrier. Some people see art galleries as exclusive space and causing them feel unwelcome to that place. The last one is a lack of understanding. Many people lack of knowledge about the history or meaning of the artworks. So, without the contact, viewers struggle to connect with the art itself. Objective of the Naluri apps. First is to make Malaysian art accessible to all, regardless of art knowledge or social background. The second is to provide a space for local artists to promote and sell their artwork. And the last one is to offer an inclusive platform where users can learn about Malaysian art style, event and cultural influence in more interactive manner.
The development of Naluri follows the Mobile Application Development Lifecycle, also known as MADLC, a systematic approach that comprises of 7 phases such as identification, design, development, prototyping, testing, deployment, and maintenance. The first phase of the application lifecycle defines Naluri's goals, target users, and key functionalities, focusing on both functional features like virtual exhibitions and non-functional aspects like usability and performance. The designing phase focuses on creating a visually appealing interface that reflects Naluri's artistic nature, prioritizing wireframes and prototypes to enhance usability and engagement. Insights from platforms like Google Arts and Culture and Instagram inspire immersive features, including AR and VR, to connect users with art and culture effectively. Development phase transforms Naluri's conceptual design into a functional application involving back-end and front-end coding to ensure seamless performance and compatibility across platforms. The prototype phase uses Figma to create interactive prototypes, enabling users to visualize the app's flow and provide feedback, which is iteratively incorporated until the design is finalized for development. The testing phase ensures Naluri functions as intended by evaluating usability, compatibility, security, UI, and performance, including beta testing with target audience to gather feedback and reduce errors. The deployment phase transitions the app into a live product, refining it to meet market standards and making it accessible to users via the appropriate application platforms. The maintenance phase is an ongoing process where user feedback is used to implement bug fixes, feature improvements, and security updates. It also includes marketing efforts to promote the app's unique features like the VR and AR sections to attract more users.
As for the prototype consists of a splash screen, a user-friendly login page, and a dynamic homepage featuring 4 You Explore and featured sections for personalized content. Users can discover weekly curated paintings, stay updated with the latest art news, and explore current exhibitions through the news and event sections. A key innovation is our virtual section, offering AR experiences for a more immersive connection with art. The settings page allows customization with profile editing preferences and sharing features. This prototype aims to empower both artists and audiences, bridging the gap between Malaysia's rich artistic heritage and the community.
This technical architecture diagram demonstrates the flow of data and interaction between a user, their smartphone, and the back-end infrastructure of this application. The user accesses the app through its smartphone connected to the internet via Wi-Fi or mobile data. Requests are securely transmitted to the firewalls to the application server, which interacts with databases and storage systems to process and retrieve data. The processed data is sent back to the user, ensuring security, scalability, and seamless performance.
Moving on to SDG, for our apps, we focus on these 3 types of goals. The first one is SDG 4, Quality Education. This apps educates users about Malaysian art, provide a deeper art knowledge that can increase appreciation of art identity, especially among younger generations. Next is SDG 11, Sustainable Cities and Communities that promote local arts and community engagement, which helps to build sustainable communities. Lastly, SDG 17, Partnerships for the Goal. Naluri encourage collaborations among artists, galleries, cultural organizations, and local governments to promote and preserve Malaysian arts.
Benefit to the community. Art novice. Simplified engagement with Malaysian art and culture through interactive and educational features. Art enthusiasts keep user updated on event while deepening their appreciation for local art. Tourists enhance their travel experience by showcasing Malaysian cultural richness beyond traditional sightseeing. Local communities bridge the gap between art and people, fostering pride in Malaysian artistic tradition. And last one is educator and student. Act as engaging educational resources for learning about Malaysian art and culture. Benefit to the industry. Art and cultural industry. Promote awareness, growth, and community engagement within the art industry. Exhibition space. Expand visibility with virtual exhibition, attracting new audience and increasing foot traffic. Local artists provide a platform for artists to showcase work, connect with buyer and gain recognition. Last one is technology industry, driven innovation with AR, VR and UX design, creating opportunity for tech professionals.
As for the commercial values, the Naluri App empowers artists by providing a platform to showcase their work, connecting them with buyers, art lovers, and the community both locally and internationally. This exposure can lead to new followers, collaborations, and greater demand for their art. By integrating technologies like AR, VR, and data analytics, the app not only enhances user experience but also drives digital transformation in Malaysia's cultural sector. Collaborations between app developers, cloud service and providers, and marketing agencies further stimulate growth, creating demand for skilled tech professionals in Malaysia.
A conclusion, Malaysian artistic heritage is a rich blend of Malay, Chinese, Indian and indigenous tradition, reflect the nation's multicultural identity. Despite this diversity, many Malaysians face challenges in engaging with their artistic heritage due to limited access to galleries, unfamiliar themes and a lack of understanding of art's value. The Naluri apps address this challenge by making art accessible and relatable, bridging the gap between Malaysian and their cultural identity and preserving artistic tradition for future generations.
That's all from us. Thank you.